Hello students, welcome again to my channel DNA.12 Education. You go back again to a new topic in mathematics. Our topic is recurring numbers. So what is recurring numbers or recurring decimal? Recurring decimal is very familiar in mathematics. What is recurring decimal? Recurring decimal is a rational number that contains a pattern of digits repeated indefinitely after decimal point. So what's the symbol of the recurring decimal? The symbol of recurring decimal is C power of dot or C upperlined. You can see on the screen. Example 0.23 dot means 0.23333. 5.46 dot means 5.4666 and so on. 1.15 means 1.151515 and so on. Next, how to change recurring decimals to fraction. The key is place the repeating digits to the left of decimal point. Modify the repeated digits to one decimal left. So the formula is repeated number over 10 power number of repeated digit minus 1. For example, 0.3 dot means 3 over 10 power 1 minus 1. 0.23 means 0.23, 23, 23 and so on. 0.123 means 0.123, 123, 123 and so on. Okay, look at the last sample 2.21 dot modify to one decimal place. So 0.5 plus 0.02 power dot and so on. I think the materials are very easy. You have to make sure you have ability how to modify the recurring decimal to the fraction. Okay, now we go to the practice now. Students, now is your turn to practice 2 or 3 questions on your screen. Change these recurring decimals to a fraction. Okay, students, now we are going to discuss a new topic. It is about recurring decimals to be fraction. How to change recurring decimals to fraction? Follow this new formula. Repeated numbers over 10 power number of repeated digit minus 1. Once again, repeated numbers over 10 power number of repeated digit minus 1. Okay, I have 3 examples to make sure everything's clear about recurring decimals to be fraction. For example, is 0.1 dot means 0.111 and so on. Okay, the repeated numbers is 1. Number of repeated digit 1, only 1. Once again, repeated numbers is 1. Number of repeated digit, only 1. Only 1 digit, right? 1 digit. So the formula is, repeated number is 1 over 10 power. Number of repeated digit, only 1. 1 digit. 1 minus 1 minus 1. So the answer is 1 over 9. Very easy. Next, example 2. Repeated numbers is 5. Number of repeated digit, only one. One digit, right? So, the fraction is, repeated number is 5. 10 power. Number of repeated digit, only one digit, 5. So, 1 minus 1. So, the answer is 5/9. Okay, everyone? So, okay, I want to give you extra sample. 0.12 upper line means 0.12 upper line means 0.12, 12, 12, and so on, right? Okay, now we're going to change to the fraction. Repeated numbers is 12, right? 12 over 10. Number of repeated digit, 2 digit, right? 2 digits. So 2 minus 1. So 12 over 100 minus 1. So 12/9. Very easy, right? Okay, go to the next example again, right? Okay.
From John Paul School, and I will start my 7th grade this year. I've joined QPC course since January 2020 with Mr. Jasper as my course tutor. Mr. Jasper did not only teach me the proper techniques of both maths and mathematica, but he teach me how to learn independently and how to stick into a problem to find ways of solving it. The course materials were good and it's based on my school curriculum. And the mentor approaching is also good. During the pandemic of COVID-19, we studied via the internet and it's also good. And I think Mr. Jasper is very good and it's a solid course. I learned a lot. Thanks, sir.
Hai, nama saya Cassius Nathanael. Saya adalah seorang siswa kelas 6 SD Penabur Harapan Indah Bekasi. Les di Bimbel QPC sangat menyenangkan karena konsepnya fun learning. Cara mengajarnya pun asik dan tidak membosankan. Selama les di Bimbel QPC, saya menjadi lebih mudah untuk mengerjakan soal-soal matematika. Karena di sini kita akan diberikan rumus-rumus jitu yang mudah dipelajari. Oke? Salam.
Halo, salam pelajar. Nama saya Pascual Clayton. Saya siswa Kolese Kanisius angkatan 21. Saya di sini untuk memberi testimoni saya mengenai proses belajar saya di QPC selama masa karantina lockdown ini. Pertama, jelas belajarnya jadi lebih susah karena harus belajar online. Namun, saya berterima kasih mempunyai QPC untuk membimbing saya melewati perjalanan belajar online saya. Saya sama sekali belum familiar dengan proses belajar online. Saya sangat perlu bimbingan dan saya berterima kasih akan adanya QPC di situ untuk membimbing saya. Nilai saya pun akhirnya berhasil kekejar. Nilai saya yang 60-60 menjadi nilai 80-80 dan nilai saya yang yang 80 menjadi nilai 90. Itu adalah mata pelajaran IPA tuh. Jadi selama proses belajar online ini akhirnya kekejar juga nilai saya. Itu in part sangat besar karena bimbingan Sir Jasper dan QPC. Setiap malam kami belajar bersama untuk mempersiapkan diri untuk esok pagi belajar online. Jadi nilainya aman selama belajar online ini di QPC. Semuanya aman dan bahkan lebih meningkat kalau di kasus saya. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih. Salam pelajar.
Okay, students, go to the next sample. 0.12 dot. 0.12 dot, right? Okay, 0.12 means 0.12222 and so on, right? Okay. So everyone, the key is please modify the repeated digits to one decimal left. One decimal left. Modify to one decimal left. One decimal left. The repeated digit must be to one decimal left. But the problem is 222 is not decimal left, but the second decimal left. The repeated digit lies on the second decimal left. You have to modify to one decimal left. So 0.1 plus 0.0222 and so on. Okay, so you have to separate. And then 0.1 modify to one decimal left. So 0.2222 and so on divided by 10. Divided by 10. Alright? Once again, 0.0222 modify to one decimal left. So, one decimal left. So, 0.02 will be moved to the left side one step by divided by 10. You have to divide the number by 10. So the value constant, right? Yeah, no change actually. Now we have 0.1 plus a tenth 0.222, right? So 0.1 plus a tenth 2 over, this is the formula, repeated number is 2 over 10 power number of repeated digit. Only one digit, 2, one digit. 1 minus 1. So the answer is 0.1 plus 10 times 2 over 9. So 0.1 is 1 over 10 plus 2 over 90. Right? So the answer is 11 over 90. Right? Is it clear for you? Okay, next. Go to the next example. So what about this one? So the recurring decimals lies on the second decimal left. But the key is modify the recurring decimals to one decimal left. But the problem is recurring decimal lies on the second decimal left. The first and the second. The first decimal, the second decimal. Okay? So you have to modify the numbers. You have to separate non-recurring decimals and recurring decimals. Once again, please separate non-recurring decimals and recurring decimals. Non-recurring decimals mean 3.5. And recurring decimals is 0.02. Right? Non-recurring. But this one, recurring. Okay, so non-recurring and recurring decimals are separated. Next, this one, 3.5 plus 0.022222, right? And then 3.5 plus 0.222, right? Two decimal left, and then change to one decimal left by dividing 10. Alright? So the value constant, no change actually for the value. So 3.5 plus, follow the formula, repeated numbers is 2. Then 10 power, number of repeated digit. Number of repeated digit, how many digits that repeated? Only one digit, right? 2. So means only one digit. 1 minus 1. That's the formula. So 35 over 10 is 1. Okay. Plus 2 over 9. So 35 over 10 plus what is 1? 90, right? 90. So is it 10? Okay. Yeah, you can divide that to 90, right? 90 5 4 32, right? 9 times 3, 27. Sorry, 31. 31 plus 2, 20, right? Is it? So this one is 4, 27, 5 plus 20 over 90. And then 35 over 10 plus 335 over 90, and so on. You can finalize the answer by using the fraction addition after the fraction. Is it clear? Okay, thank you everyone. That's about the recurring decimal. Thank you very much.